everyone. Today, we will discuss critical safety instructions for sampling flammable, toxic, and corrosive raw materials in a sampling booth. The goal is to ensure we protect personnel and prevent environmental hazards. Personal protective equipment (PPE). Ensure personnel wear appropriate PPE. Chemical-resistant gloves. Safety goggles or face shields. Flame-resistant clothing. Respiratory protection if needed. Sampling booth design. Design the booth with adequate ventilation. Include local exhaust ventilation systems. Ensure the booth is well lit and spacious for safe maneuvering. Flame arresters. Install flame arresters or spark arresters to prevent ignition of flammable vapors during sampling. Fire suppression systems. Equip the booth with fire suppression systems. Fire extinguishers or automated fire suppression systems. Ensure they are suitable for flammable materials. Isolation of sampling area. Clearly mark and isolate the sampling area. Prevent unauthorized access. Restrict entry to trained and authorized personnel only. Sampling equipment. Use appropriate sampling equipment. Ensure materials are resistant to the sampled material. Verify all equipment is clean and in good condition before use. Grounding and bonding. Ground and bond containers and equipment. Prevent static electricity buildup, especially with flammable materials. Sampling procedure. Develop a detailed sampling procedure. Consider properties of the raw materials. Follow specific guidelines for each material to minimize risks. Emergency shutdown procedures. Establish clear emergency shutdown procedures. Train personnel on quick and safe shutdown operations. Communication. Set up communication protocols. Use devices such as radios for effective communication between personnel inside and outside the booth. First aid and emergency response. Equip the booth with a well-stocked first aid kit. Train personnel in first aid and emergency response procedures. Waste disposal. Establish proper waste disposal procedures. Follow local regulations for hazardous materials disposal. Regular inspections. Conduct regular inspections of the booth and equipment. Identify and address potential safety hazards, leaks, or malfunctions. Training. Ensure personnel are adequately trained. Focus on specific hazards of the materials and correct sampling procedures. Documentation. Keep detailed records of the sampling process. Document date, time, personnel involved, and any unusual.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.